Let's set up a booking reminder SMS automation in Mercuri CX. Start by heading to the Template section in Mercuri CX dashboard. Then select SMS. Click the Create Template button in the top right corner. You'll now see the SMS template creation form. First, enter a template name, something short and descriptive, like Booking Reminder SMS. Next, craft your message. Keep it under 160 characters and personalize it by using dynamic variables. Now, map each variable to its actual data field, such as customer name, service title, and appointment date and time. Click Create to save your SMS template. Now, go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Booking Reminder as the automation type and SMS as the channel. Then, choose the Booking Reminder SMS template. And then click on Create Automations. Want to reduce no-shows and keep your customers informed? Set up automated booking reminders in minutes with Mercuri CX. Scan the QR to book your free demo today.